空的，对吧？That means, it's empty. And that is an interesting question, though. Why is empty related with space, right? Let's see what GPT has to say about that. Right, I'm learning Chinese and found a word called 空. 空 means empty or free. My question is, what is the connection between emptiness and space? Is there any explanation from you, GPT?
Yes, the character Kong in Chinese encompasses the idea of emptiness, which naturally extends to the concept of space. Kong can signify something that's devoid of content, hence empty, but it also suggests the openness or vastness associated with space. In Kongjian, it means space, emphasizing the boundless or open nature of an area. In Kongqi, it refers to air, the invisible, empty medium that fills space. So the connection is rooted in the idea of openness and absence of obstruction.
And I actually think that is the core theory or the foundation theory of Taoism. The emptiness is actually the thing that's being useful. If you have a cup, right? The cup is made of glass, and the cup creates an emptiness. That is a space. That's useful. So a useful, but if you cannot put any water into the glass. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Not into the glass, the glass parts of the glass or cup, but you have to put the water into the empty space that the cup was created. Okay, so this little paradox is very important in the understanding of nature according to Taoism, right? The good and the bad, they are all relative. They're all comparatively speaking, and the usefulness or the uselessness, okay, the doing, the non-doing, they're all opposite, but they are all related. They're all one and two sides of one thing, and they cannot live without each other. And that is the core idea of Taoism. What do you think?
You're absolutely right. This concept of emptiness being useful is central to Taoism. In Taoist philosophy, the idea of wu wei, non-action or effortless action, emphasizes this balance and harmony between opposites. The usefulness of a cup comes from its emptiness, just as action is balanced by non-action. This reflects the Taoist principle that the seemingly opposite forces are interconnected and interdependent, forming a unified whole. It's a profound way of understanding the world and our place in it.
Well, I mean, I think you said a little bit better than I did. Okay, but thanks very much for agreeing with me as you always do. Now let's move on with the next